Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Quetext, one of the most popular plagiarism checkers online. Whether you're a student, blogger, freelancer, or writer, keeping your work original is super important. First, search for Quetext Plagiarism Checker on Google and click the official site. You can log in using your Google account. Once you're in, this is the screen you'll see. Here you can paste the text you want to check. The free version has a limit of 500 words. If you want to check longer documents or upload files directly, you'll need the paid plan, so the free version is best for short checks. Let's test it out. I'll paste some text here and run a plagiarism check. Since my text is a bit long, it asked me to upgrade. I'll just remove a few lines so we can try it. Now you can see the result. It shows 23% plagiarism. Quetext highlights the copied parts in different colors. And if you hover over a line, it shows the percentage match with a website. By clicking the arrow, you can even see the exact page where the text appears. Pretty useful. Now let's look at another feature, the AI score check. This tells you if the content looks like it was written by AI. For example, I pasted some text from ChatGPT, and as you can see, it shows 100% AI written. The highlighted green parts make it clear which sections are flagged as AI, and that's pretty much it. Quetext is simple, easy to use, and really helpful for quick plagiarism and AI detection checks. So that's how you can use Quetext for plagiarism and AI detection. It's a really handy tool, especially if you're a student or a writer who wants to stay safe with original work. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech and study guides. And drop a comment below if you want me to cover other tools like this. I always read your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.